In this video, we'll cover motor replacement for the SlimRack slide-out system. The tools required to perform this procedure include a number 9 metric wrench and a flathead screwdriver. On older style SlimRack motors, you'll need a pick tool to release the motor retention spring. Decouple the motor wiring harness. Use your wrench to release the retaining bolt that holds the motor in place. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry the motor free of the drive shaft. Then pull it free of the column. Install your replacement motor to the column. Then shimmy it into position. Using your wrench, resecure the motor to the column by tightening down the retaining bolt. Connect the wiring harness to the motor to complete your motor replacement procedure.